Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This car here, we have it on the lift, and the problem is that if you notice here, the belt broke, and we don't know what make it like that, but it looked like it go all the way in the car, and we have to open in the bottom because it looked like the oil leak messed up this car. So the oil usually come from on the top of by the oil housing filter, and it can mess up a lot of stuff there if you don't do attention. So what we do is we have to take the fan, the cooling fan out, radiator cooling fan, and all the covers have to be out here. Okay, then mounts and everything, and then we have to open the radiator, take the radiator cover, and then we have to take everything out. All this have to be cleaned out before we have to know exactly what happened. So whatever get effect in this car, let me go down now. Everything in the car here have to be down. We took it out, we clean it. We have leak on the housing there, you see. So this place here have to go out. This here, whatever leak that coming from the top have to be replaced. Those pulleys have to be replaced, whatever inside, and then clean it out, dry it, put all the stuff back, and the car is supposed to be okay. Please subscribe, share, and like always.